Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM6 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started on this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement power supply. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged from the mains before proceeding. Carefully flip the device over to access the screws on the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to reveal the internal components. The power supply is located near the back of the device, connected by a couple of wires. Be cautious while handling the internal parts, as they can be delicate. Look for any signs of damage or burnt marks on the power supply. To extract the faulty component, carefully disconnect the wires by gently pulling the connectors away. Make sure to note where each wire connects, as this will be crucial for reassembly. After removing the old power supply, take your new one and connect the wires to the correct terminals, ensuring a snug fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully place the base back onto the Thermomix and replace the screws, tightening them just enough to secure the base without stripping them. After everything is back in place, plug your Thermomix back in and test if it powers on. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your Thermomix is kept in a dry environment, avoid overloading it during use, and regularly check for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.